Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to run a local LLM on an iOS device using picoLLM. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already, is download Xcode. We're going to be using Xcode 15 today. After that, you're going to want to head over to the picoLLM GitHub repository and give that a clone. The repository has two demos for iOS, a chat demo and a completion demo. Today we're going to be looking at the chat demo. Once that's cloned, let's go ahead and enter the chat demo directory for iOS and install our dependencies using CocoaPods. That's going to generate that XC workspace file. Let's go ahead and open that up in Xcode. Before we run our demo, we're going to need a few items though. The first is our access key. So we're going to head over to the PicoVoice developer console, make an account if you haven't already, and copy our access key. We're going to put that right here in our viewModel.swift file. The other item we're going to need is our picoLLM model, so let's go to the picoLLM tab. We're going to download the Phi2 290 model today. It's just 1 gig. Great, now that it's downloaded, we have to get it on our device. I'm going to be using AirDrop for that. I'm just going to AirDrop the file onto my iPhone. Now that that's all set up, let's head back to Xcode and run our demo. Once it's loaded on your device, it's going to prompt you to load a picoLLM model. We're going to load that Phi2 290 model that we just uploaded, and then you can chat with it. So I'm just going to ask it to tell me about film photography. And there it is. Happy coding.